Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the ignition switch, guys, also known as run, crank, fuses and relays are located on Chevy Equinox, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we'll explain what you can expect to find it. By the way, guys, we will talk about hidden fuse boxes. This is information that can practically, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share that information in the description of the video below where you can get it from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead, guys, and start on it now. So the ignition switch, also known as run, crank, fuses, relays, come, guys, we'll show you where you can expect to find it. We will demonstrate on that generation Chevy Equinox here. And to save you even more money, guys, quick advice from us: 9 out of 10 owners do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Chevy Equinox. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it's a video that can save you a lot of money, guys. Go ahead and open the hood, and facing the engine now here, guys, on the driver's side, okay, right here, see that's the brake fluid reservoir. Next to it is the main engine fuse box. That fuse box, guys, here, okay, will actually, guys, have a clip, like a tab here with 2 clips and one on this side. You press them and you pull the cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we, guys, continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here, guys, we will need to check multiple components, so be ready, guys. Multiple fuses, relays that we need to check. And starting here, all of these are for ignition switch, run, crank, or secondary systems that control the ignition switch and run, crank as well. The first one you need to check is fuse number 20. Right here you see that 10M fuse will need to be checked. Then we need to go to fuse number 42 right here. Check that fuse. Next we are going to find fuse number 52 right here. Check that one. After that we go to fuse 53. It's that fuse under the relay, that 10M fuse right here. Check it, guys. And next we need to locate, guys, relay 66 right here. Also you will need to locate relay 68 right there. All these are for the ignition switch, the run, crank system on your Chevy Equinox that you will need to check. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open, guys, the interior fuse box, we want to show you have 2 kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now, guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you're stuck. Always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share, guys, the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well, guys. So thank you for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.